my marriage for me. You brought my camera to come and strike me. This marriage will not hold. 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 What's all this nonsense for? It's okay. Madam, you can go. You can go. This marriage will not hold. You can go. This marriage will not hold. You want to spoil my day for me? You will not enjoy this marriage. Madam, please go. That's your business. Go and continue your marriage. Go and enjoy this marriage. You will not enjoy this marriage. You will not enjoy this marriage. I will deal with you. I will deal with you after this thing. I will deal with you.
Hello guys, it's your girl Precious Sabina for you. Everything Precious on YouTube. And today I'm here with
Helen.
Guys, you all remember Helen from the past video that her fiance dumped to go and marry a doctor. Guys, you know, Helen has been so, I don't know, should I say, she has been so bitter, she has been crying, she has been disturbing me that she cannot watch another woman take her man from her, that's supposed to be her husband. And me, I also told her that I will do everything, in fact, anything in my power to make sure that marriage with the other lady will not proceed. But looking at it, I'm a lady. And I will not be happy if somebody stop my marriage because of, I don't know, I just, you know, the woman might not even know that this kind of a thing happened or know about any of these things. So I've told her that we should leave it, we should drop the matter, but can't be like, say, she no agree. So make una hear from her, what she call me today, say, make I help her do. So I bet just explain to them, make them know what you want, make I follow you go do today.
I want you to follow me. Let's go and talk to the lady. I really want to talk to the lady concerning this marriage she's going into. So that's why I say we should go and talk to her. I know today is her marriage day, but I have already booked an appointment with her. I want us to talk. I want you to help me talk to her.
Oh God. Wait, today is her marriage day. I've told you to leave this matter. It's not right. It's not necessary. You just leave it. Since the guy said he does not want to come, I will surely meet with him. So I don't know why you want to go and meet him. It's another problem. You want her to cancel her marriage.
I have already talked to her. No, she will not cancel her marriage. I just want to see her briefly. So she will be here any moment from now. I just want you to help me talk to her. I want her to know the kind of marriage she's going into, the kind of man she's going into, that she's going to marry in a few seconds or few minutes from now. So please help me talk to her. You know, the man exposed me, disgraced me, embarrassed me publicly. So I want the whole world to know what is happening, what is going on.
This thing what you want to do now. Okay, well, since that's your wish to let the woman know the kind of man she wants to get married to, no problem. I'll follow you. I will allow you to do your thing. But I beg, as you tell and finish, make it end like that. Make her go. Make she continue. She won't continue with the marriage. It consign her. She no won't continue. It still consign her.
No problem. No problem.
We go. You don't call her. Tell her where we go meet her.
And we don't call her. So they come meet us somewhere.
Then our marriage. She said she go come.
She said she go come. We're not taking much of her time. She go come.
Okay, guys. So according to her, she has pleaded with me. I already told her that my hands are not there because I cannot go and tell another woman to cancel her marriage or stop another woman's marriage because I'm a woman also. I know what the guy did was very painful, but sometimes we will leave vengeance to God. But since she has called the lady, it's important that she knows the kind of man she wants to get married to. So I will accompany her there to do her thing. So guys, stay tuned. Don't forget, like this video, share it. Stay tuned. Let's go. So just
no, I go talk calm.
Be calm,
They explain everything, but make sure you listen to what I want to explain.
Now make you need to calm with that. Let's not get constant. Where she comes from? I dey come, no worry, just wait. Hello. Sorry. This is the person that wants to meet with you. Yes.
Welcome.
Yes. Welcome. Please just exercise patience. And she wants to talk to you. This is Helen. What's your name, please?
Okay, I'm Merigo.
Okay. This is my client.
Okay.
She really wants to talk to you about something very important.
Yes. She called me. You're the one who called me.
Yes, I was the one who called
you said my husband
she wants to tell me something about my husband. Like,
Yes.
please, today is my wedding day. I just needed to squeeze out time to come meet you. I left everything I was supposed to do to come and meet you. Please, what's the problem?
Calm down.
Calm down. There's nothing to worry about.
Okay.
It's something you can understand.
Okay.
I know you don't know anything about this. That's why I want to take out time to explain this to you. The same husband you are getting married to today
Okay.
was the man I used my hard-earned money to train in school. I fried Gary. I send him go school. I fried Gary, the supply give people so that the same young man can be in school. At the end of the day, he dumped me for you. We have 2 kids. I get 2 picking for that young man.
Okay.
You know you don't know anything. That's why I'm taking out time to explain this for you now. The young man has been my husband for so many years. I am the person that made him what he is today.
But that's none of my business. Everybody,
Calm down.
Every other person has hexes. Okay? So you don't expect me to know as in, so okay, what do you want me to do?
Listen, let me explain things to you because you don't know what you are getting into right now. You are getting married. If this man could do this to me, he could do it to you.
It's none of my business. He can't do it to me.
He will do it to you.
I don't really understand what I'm doing there. I don't know how you met him. I don't know. I'm a doctor. Do you understand me? So I don't expect him to dump me. I don't know what you did to him.
I am talking slowly and you are shouting. Do you want me to be mad?
No, I don't understand. You don't understand me. Today is my wedding day.
So what?
No, it means.
Who cares? Listen, let me tell
Listen
you something.
to me.
Listen. I called you out here to explain things to you because you don't know what is happening, what is going on. Okay. So if you like, you listen to it. If you don't like, you leave it. But I will tell you the gospel truth. If that young man could leave me, he could also leave you at any given time.
Excuse me, I am done with you, yeah. Like, I don't want to talk about this anymore. I came out here without my husband's consent.
Just say we have 2 kids.
It's not my business. Do you understand me? It's none of my business. Excuse me.
Come here.
Wait, Jesus Christ. Idiot, you need to be. Wait, are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you mad? Stop. Do you know what you're doing? Do you know what you're doing? It's my wedding day. Stop this, Helen. Helen, why would you do that? Oh my God. Do you mad? It's my wedding day. Sorry.
Helen, stop now. We're not getting married today. Helen, stop. You won't get married.
Helen, stop now. What's wrong with you? Do you understand what I'm telling you? Sorry. You made. Sorry. We are very sorry. No. It's okay. No, let's go. Don't worry. No. You can't get married. Not like you. You can't do this on my wedding day. Stop.
You can't get married.
Helen, stop now. I fucking do not want to care. How sense? You have been to my wedding day. This is my wedding day.
And so what?
Wait first.
Helen.
Calm down. This is not what we are here for. Look at this young lady. Today is her wedding day. You cannot be doing this to her. You came here to make peace. You come here to tell her that she's making the wrong choice.
Somebody is getting married to my husband and you are telling me to make peace.
Do you know who I'm getting married to?
My husband.
Do you know who I'm getting married to?
He's my husband.
Do you know my husband? Do you know who I am?
We have 2 kids. He's my husband.
You don't know who I am.
Person where I suffer train. Now you won't marry. Just like that.
You are so very lucky. Today is my wedding day. I would lock you up. Do you know who I am?
Who are you?
Do you know who I am?
Helen.
Did you know what I passed through to train the young man?
I don't know what you might have done to any man you were claiming left you for another
now you know
woman,
the juju where they carry hold that man.
telling me
Now
I'm
you
getting
know the
married
juju
to
where
your
they carry hold
husband.
that man.
Do you know my husband?
Do you know what I did?
Do you know my
Do you know what I
husband?
passed through for that young man?
What's all this?
Eh?
You're using camera to talk. You don't understand. What does that mean? You brought
Helen, calm down now. Calm down. Helen, calm down. Now. Calm down.
This marriage will not hold. This marriage will not hold.
my marriage for me. You brought the camera to come and strike
This
me.
marriage will not hold. This marriage will not hold. This marriage will not hold.
Helen, be yourself.
This marriage will not hold.
Helen, it's okay.
This marriage will not hold.
Madam, it's okay. You can go. You can go and continue your marriage.
You want to spoil my night? You want to spoil my day for
You will
me?
not enjoy this marriage.
Madam, please go.
That's your business.
Go and continue your marriage. Go and do your business.
You will not enjoy this marriage. You will not enjoy this marriage.
I will deal with you.
Helen.
I will deal with you after this day.
You will not enjoy this marriage. You will not enjoy this marriage.
Helen, now leave this woman alone. Leave this woman alone. It's the man you're supposed to be fighting, not the
will not enjoy
woman.
this marriage. After all my suffering, you will not enjoy this marriage.
Helen.
You will not enjoy this marriage.
Helen, no. Helen.
I know
Now
what
the
I passed
man-
through.
now the
I
man
know
told you
what
to do
I
this
passed
thing
through to
with-
train the young man. I know what I passed through.
Now the man, do you know be the
Both sun
woman?
and rain, I knew what I passed through.
Helen.
Put yourself together. And I know this is painful, but you should not be fighting the woman. She does not know anything about this. And today is her wedding. What do you want her
Now
to
she
react?
knows. Can't she leave my husband alone?
No, now.
Let her leave my husband alone.
Helen,
We have 2 kids.
Helen, I know this is painful. You have
It
to
is,
let
oh.
go.
It is very, very
You have
painful.
to let
the
go,
young man. Let her leave me and my household alone.
See, what is yours will stay. What is not, God knows why this
After
is
all my
happening.
suffering.
God has a reason for everything. He might be taking this man out of your life just to make you a greater woman, so that you can look into yourself and empower yourself.
After all my suffering, why didn't he take the young man away since? After everything we don't do for this man, his generation and his family.
See, every disappointment is a blessing.
Madam,
This is a blessing to
that
you.
one na English. You see that husband, that marriage will not last. I said that marriage will not last.
Helen is okay, guys. I don't even know how to. I don't know what to say to her again. She's very bitter, and with the way she's going, I don't want her to go and do another thing. Helen, you have to promise me that you will not go. You will not go to that wedding. You will not go there. You will not go and cause another problem.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
You have to go to your
I
house.
can't promise you anything now.
Or go
Because
to
you see that
church and
marriage.
pray to God. Ask God to just take control, because you cannot fight this fight alone. You cannot fight it. You cannot fight it by yourself.
Don't worry. You see that marriage.
Look at now, you've injured yourself. Fighting will not help us. Guys, I don't know. Please, can you just drop an advice for her? Or what do you think? What do you think she should do? I've tried my best. I've tried my best for her to see reasons and stop all this. Well, I don't know what to say again. Please just drop a comment what you think about everything that just happened. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to share this video.